Wait a second, let's check for the AI viewpoint. What a positively amusing spectacle. This video captures the essence of feline curiosity and playfulness. The cat, inspired by Mike Tyson's boxing techniques, engages in a playful fight with another feline, mimicking the bob and weave maneuvers it observed. Despite its opponent's larger size, the cat takes the lead, showcasing its agility and quick reflexes. It's a delightful demonstration of how animals can draw inspiration from unexpected sources and infuse a bit of humor into our lives. Not bad.